Achoo! Why do we bless a person when they sneeze? Do you know that is a 1500-year-old tradition? Pope Gregory during the Roman Empire believed that when a person sneezed, it was the coming on of a plague they were catching, and that evil spirits could enter their body during that time. So he asked everyone to give the person who sneezed a blessing. And 1500 years later, guys, we're still, I bless you. God bless you. If you're sneezing right now, I got you covered. Bless you. Now you know.